I'd like to warmly congratulate you on being conferred upon the Nishan-e-Pakistan. This honor reflects very useful and productive meetings since morning, and just now we have had this signing ceremony of 37 MOUs. And knowing you personally, Mr. President, you believe in action and implementation. Make sure that these MOUs are converted into agreements, and then its implementation phase as early as possible. And I want to assure you, on my behalf, to work with you very closely to ensure speedy implementation of these MOUs. And I have no doubt that if we are able to make these MOUs a reality, our economic, our trade, our cultural relations will go notches higher. Excellency, as I said earlier, I'd like to reiterate again that you are a very serious-minded politician, a very accomplished diplomat who has, over these decades, not only international exposure, but you have really done wonders for your country. And today, I'd like to warmly congratulate you on being conferred upon the Nishan-e-Pakistan. This honor reflects our deep appreciation of your visionary leadership and your outstanding contribution to strengthening the close and friendly ties between our two brotherly countries. I would also like to congratulate you on accepting this invitation, being member of Board of Peace under President Trump's leadership. And let us hope and pray to Allah Almighty that through our joint efforts we will be successful in bringing long-lasting peace in Gaza, its reconstruction, and of course make the two-state solution a reality as soon as possible. Your Excellency, today marks a historic moment in our relationship. We have agreed to establish a strategic partnership between our two brotherly nations to pursue the shared objectives of peace, progress, and prosperity. We have discussed this morning. I'd like to again reiterate this important point that Allah Almighty has blessed Kazakhstan with infinite natural resources, and you are one of the leading country in the world in the field of mining minerals and exporting it, along with petroleum products, oil and gas. And Pakistan is also blessed with infinite natural resources, great human minds, and very hard-working population. Unfortunately, our trade volume is just meager $250 million during the last year, and this does not reflect not only the strength of our friendship, but also the potential of the two countries. As I said earlier on, Your Excellency, let us make a commitment that we will take up our trade volume to $1 billion in the next 1 year. And today we have this joint business forum where we would both encourage Pakistani and Kazakhstan business community to come forward and invest in joint ventures. Our investment portfolio is almost negligible, and there is great potential again on both sides. And I think with our joint efforts, we will be able to make significant progress in this behalf. Excellency, we have agreed to the Belarus, Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan transport corridor to enhance our regional connectivity. And we have also offered to your great country full access to Pakistan's transit infrastructure and seaports facilities. Your Excellency, as I've already said, that in energy you have great opportunities both in Kazakhstan and Pakistan, and our collaboration will be a win-win situation. Your Excellency, in the field of culture, in the field of information, again, there is so much to talk about, write, and discuss. And again, in this field, I think both the countries will have great opportunities in times to come. Pakistan, Your Excellency, regards Kazakhstan as our strategic and one of the most valued partner in Central Asia. And I'm absolutely confident that with our today's collaboration, discussion, with the productive, encouraging outcomes, and this signing ceremony will not only reinvigorate our relations, but give a huge impetus to our bilateral ties. In your speech, in our bilateral meeting today, you gave a wonderful roadmap for our future cooperation. And this could only come from a visionary leader like you, who, as said earlier on, has great experience, great expertise and knowledge through your various positions you have served in the last many decades. Your Excellency, in your national anthem, your country has mentioned the son of freedom and the struggle of the people for the right to freedom and sovereignty. We deeply respect these ideals, as we also share the same commitment to freedom, dignity, self-respect for our nations. Today, as our two nations strengthen our partnership, we look forward to exploring new horizons of cooperation in trade, culture, education, and many other areas. I once again would like to thank you from the core of my heart, Your Excellency, and your distinguished delegation for honoring us with this historic visit and for your commitment and support to further strengthening Pakistan-Kazakhstan relations. Long live Pakistan-Kazakhstan friendship. Thank you very much.